Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to create this black smoky eye makeup look, and I've used blue mascara here and no falsies. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So firstly I'm starting by prepping my face using this primer from Nykaa. So I am taking it on my fingertips and spreading it around my nose and on my forehead. Next, I'm taking my favorite foundation from Milani, and I am in the shade 05 Warm Beige. So I'm taking 2 pumps of this foundation and using my fingertips I'm spreading it all over my face, and now I'm blending it with the foundation brush and then using the beauty blender to blend everything nicely. Now I'm using this concealer from Makeup Revolution. So this concealer dries very quickly, so I have to work very fast with this. So firstly I'm applying it only around my eyes and my nose, and later on I'll be applying it on rest of the areas. Now I am applying it below my cheeks, on the tip of my nose, around my mouth and on my forehead. Now I'm using this beauty blender to blend it nicely. Now for setting my face I'm using this compact from Nykaa. The next step, I'm working on my eyebrows now using this eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Brow Chica Wow pencil. For my blush, I'm using this Ombre blush from Wet n Wild. So this can also be used as a highlighter, but I'm using it only as a blush on my cheeks. Now I'm taking this trio palette from Makeup Revolution to contour my face using that bronzy shade from the palette. Now for highlighting, I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I'm applying it using this beautiful brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm highlighting the usual high points of my face, and you can see such a lovely glow this highlighter gives. This instantly brings life to your face. Let's start with the eyes now. So I'm taking that corally shade from the Makeup Revolution Soph palette, and I am applying it on the crease of my eyes. I'm using this as a transition shade. The brush that I'm using is from Color Bar. I'll put the links in the description box below of all the products that I've used and all the brushes as well, so you can check those out. So I'm doing it on both of my eyes. Now I'm taking that burgundy shade with a different brush, and I'm applying it below my crease line so that we can get that gradient look. If you don't have this same eyeshadow palette, then it's perfectly fine. You can use any other eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild is also very good, and it's also very much affordable. And you can use same colors as well, or if you don't want to use these same colors, then you can go for other corally or orangey or brownie shades, whatever you like. I'm using burgundy because I like that combination of black and burgundy shade. Now I'm using this flat brush from Color Bar, and I'm spraying the setting spray on it so that the brush becomes a little bit wet and I can get the most out of the pigmentation from this black color. And now I'm simply applying that black shade all over my eyelid. If you prefer using your fingers, then you can definitely go ahead and use your fingers to apply the black eyeshadow all over your eyelid. Now I'm again taking that burgundy shade and deepening my crease furthermore. Now I'm setting my face using this setting spray from L'Oreal. This helps in melting all the powders in your face very well so that your base looks flawless. So I'm blending it with the beauty blender. This is from PAC. Now I'm taking that smudger brush and I'm picking black and burgundy shade both on my smudger brush and applying below my waterline. Now here comes the star of the show, blue mascara from Kiko Milano. This is such a lovely mascara. It adds so much length and volume to your eyelashes. So you should definitely buy it if you don't have a blue mascara. Now I'm taking that same Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and I'm highlighting below my eyebrows. And here is my most favorite part, applying a lipstick, as you all know. So I'm using this beautiful and lovely lipstick from Sugar. It's the Sugar Suede Secret Matte Lipstick in the shade Nylon Nude. So as we have such bold eyes today, I'm going with the nude lip today. And here is the final look. I hope you liked this look of mine. So if yes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And as I've already mentioned, all the links to all the products that I've used will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you so much for watching.